Are you ready to buy a home, but you really want that newer feel, like stucco siding, high ceilings, and an attached 2-car garage, and you want to be in a beautiful neighborhood that feels newer too? Hi friends, Stacy Baxter here with Magnolia Homes. This beautiful Red Bluff home is over 1,500 square feet, and it's got a great open floor plan that makes it feel even bigger. You'll love how the living room is open to the formal dining room, creating a really flexible space. You'll love that this kitchen is nice and open, so you'll never miss a special moment. And it's so big, you've got tons of counter and storage space in here. And you'll love the secondary cozy dining space, so no matter what you want to use that flexible formal dining room for, you've always got a dedicated dining room. When you come to see this home in person, be prepared to fall in love with this owner's suite. It's got nice high ceilings, plenty of room for your big king-size bed, and you'll love having private access to the outdoors. There's a big walk-in closet, and the arched doorway leads to the beautiful ensuite bathroom. With 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and an indoor laundry room, you have all the space you'll need here. And this low maintenance backyard is amazing. You've got plenty of room for your pets to run around, and it's really set up for entertaining with multiple patio areas. And this location means you get the best of both worlds. You're right next to the grassy park, which really expands your outdoor space, and it makes your property feel so much bigger to not be closed in by the neighbors. Isn't this house amazing? It's so hard to find something that's affordable, beautiful, low maintenance, and surrounded by other great homes. We'd love to show you in person. So give me a call, Stacy Baxter, my Magnolia team, at 530-209-1716. Because it's your life and it's your story. We're just trying to help you find an affordable and beautiful home to tell it in.